625 AC double-decker superfast express is scheduled to depart from platform number 1. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 262 AC double-decker superfast express is scheduled to depart from 1. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 262 AC double-decker superfast express is scheduled to Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 22625 AC double-decker superfast express is passengers. Your kind attention please. Platform number 1. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 22625 AC double-decker superfast express is scheduled to depart from platform number 6 5 AC 5 AC double-decker superfast express is arriving